My bite is worse than my bark. I'm gonna dance all over your face. It's time to go to school, Jackson. You're about to be excellently executed. You think you can beat me? Woo! Here's the part where I hit my move. Are you ready? Someone's gonna get their ass whipped. I'll drop you on that stack of dimes you call a neck. Don't make me plant my foot up your ass. You stupid punk. Have a nice day. My grandfather hits harder than you. You're going down. Bring it on, fool. Smell what the rock is cooking? Don't sing it. Bring it. No, you really suck. Don't mess with me, punk. 2 words. Suck it. I'll beat your ass. I'll drop you on your head. You cannot kill what is already dead. Get out of my way! It's time for battle. I'm going to enjoy this. Hey, check me out. Come get yourself some. Hey, come on, bring it on. It's time for the dude to get busy on you. The dudester's in the house, baby. Cactus Jack on the attack. I'll sacrifice my bones to break yours. You're acting like a girl. Is that all you got? I'm gonna put your face on a milk carton. You're pissing me off. I'm gonna get medieval on your buttocks. This will be messy. I'll floss my teeth with your guts. I'm gonna mold you like putty. Call yourself an athlete? Think you can tell my strength? Keep dreaming. I can't wait to tear you limb from limb. You shouldn't be in the same ring as your British bulldog. When Clint speaks, you better listen. Hands off the merchandise. It's the Heartbreak Kid live and in your face. HBK, large and in charge. I'm the best there is, the best there was, and the best there ever will be. I don't plan on quitting, but maybe you should. Here comes a lesson from the excellence of execution. Pink and Black Attack is back. I almost feel sorry for you. That's it. No more Mr. Nice Guy. Now that is how you do it. I look forward to stomping the snot out of you. Oh, hell yeah! Austin316 says I just whipped your ass. And that's the bottom line, because Stone Cold said so. Don't take his ass whipping personally, son. You know, there ain't nothing like a good ass kicking, and I think it's about time you had one. Farouk's the man! There ain't nothing gonna stop me, punk. You can't stop me from taking what I want when I want. I'd love to put you out of your own misery. So much fun! Get my fingers out of your mouth! my mind? I think I lost it. Wasn't Beauty that killed the beast? It was my mandible claw! You're starting to annoy me. Get ready for a beat. Ready to understand. You can't hurt me, fool. Get ready for a beat. You just hit rock bottom. Playing the SmackDown. Don't worry, jabroni. The Rock is going to end it quick. The Rock's about to lay the SmackDown on your ignorant ass. Bring it! Damn, it's brutal in here. Whew, that had to hurt. Suck it, duck it, quack, quack. How'd you like that? I'm good, but when I'm bad, I'm big mistake, Nimrod. Hit the gym, fat ass. Lights out, pal. You're in the wrong place at the wrong time. My creatures of the night will feast upon the flesh of your rotting corpse. Welcome to the dark side. The end is near. Rest in peace. That's gotta hurt. I'm in my zone! Get out of my face. I warned you. Oh, I give up after that one. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Oh, yeah, baby. This should be a lot of fun. Wow, I know that one will hurt. So you think you can hang and bang, do you? The dude just got the better of you. I'll bet them apples, baby. The dude is large and in charge. Oh, that's gonna leave a mark. Oh, I think that was your liver. Oh, that looks like it hurt. You're gonna take this like a man. Now somebody's really gonna get their ass whipped. You go, girl. You suck. I'm gonna tear you another ass. Game over, Wiggy boy. You're gonna die, boy. Maybe in trouble and just die now. Incoming. Oh yeah. not cleaning up that. We can haul you out with the rest of the garbage. This one's gonna leave a stain. I can wait here while you change.